Tired of wasting precious time stuck in endless checkout lines at Walmart? Well, say goodbye to those lines, because today I'm going to show you how to use Walmart's Scan and Go feature, your secret weapon for a super speedy shopping experience. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Walmart app downloaded and you're logged into your Walmart Plus account. Scan and Go is a feature exclusive for Walmart members. Tap on the Services tab located at the bottom of your screen. On this screen, scroll down until you see Scan and Go and tap on it. Alright, now you're ready to start scanning. As you shop, simply point your phone's camera at the barcode of each item. The app will automatically recognize the item and add it to your digital cart. Make sure the barcode is valid and within the frame. You'll hear a beep or feel a vibration when it's successfully scanned. You can also manually adjust the quantity of each item in your cart if needed. You can check your cart at any time to review the items you've added and the running total. Once you've finished shopping, tap the checkout button. This takes you to the payment screen. Here, you can review your order one last time. Choose your preferred payment method already linked to your Walmart account. After payment, a QR code will appear on your screen. Head over to the designated Scan and Go checkout area. Usually near the exit, show the QR code to the attendant or scanner. And that's it. You've just bypassed the regular checkout lines and saved yourself valuable time. So next time you're at Walmart, give Scan and Go a try and experience the future of shopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful shopping hacks and tips.